spring 2019 fashion trends. So what we're gonna do in this video today is talk about 4 trends that I have chosen directly off of the 2019 spring runway shows and all of the various glamorous cities across the world. So I just picked 4 and we're gonna talk about ways that you can incorporate those trends into your everyday fashion look, ways that you can style them, and other little tidbits. Okay, let's get started. Oh, if you're new here, hi, I'm Pamela. Welcome back to another day in my life that I'm filming just for you. And please go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we even get started. And yeah, let's go. All right, so the first trend I'm gonna talk to you guys about is the trend of neon. And if you're wondering, I'm looking at pictures that will be up on the screen, hopefully. Neon, as you can see, is literally anything that's super bright, very highlightery. It's anything that you would see on a neon sign, okay? Self-explanatory, but can be kind of hard to style if you're not used to the intensity of it all. Here are some ways that you can style neon. So let's talk about the outfit that I put together. I put together this orange-red tank top plus black leather jeans, and the tank top is the neon piece, obviously. And it's very, very bright. It's ribbed. It's from H&M. It's a tank top, so you can literally wear it with anything you want. It's a tank top, you know. Wear it with jeans, wear it with black leather jeans. I chose the black leather jeans because I was just like, I really want to feel like, did she just come off the runway or is she here to steal your car? That's kind of the vibe I was going for. I feel like I nailed it. I feel like I did pretty well. The reason why it works is because I didn't do another neon piece. It was just kind of like a straight neon shirt and then very simple pants. So the first picture I want to show you guys is, I don't know who this model is or who this person is, but I wanted to show you this just because, like, this for some people looks good. I don't know. Fashion is very do whatever you want, be yourself, but like, you came here to learn how to style things, and this is one where I'm like, you know, maybe you shouldn't. Maybe you personally, it's a little much. It looks good on her because she's like 20 pounds and probably a model. So yeah, for us plus size ladies, I would just say maybe not attempting to layer so many neon pieces on top of each other, because it can become very visually like aggressive. It can just be very visually off-putting. So I would suggest not doing that. But you know, if you want to put multiple neon pieces together, then the next picture is a great way to do it. And in this picture, this obviously Instagram baddie, she's got the fanny pack, the nails, the Calabasas hat, oh my god, and the Fashion Nova top. Yeah, she's an Instagram baddie. She's here to steal your boyfriend and make you wish you were her. So this is the way that I would style neon. If you want to layer it, keep it in the same shade family. Stick to a kind of monochromatic neon look. Let's go to the next picture then. And the next picture is this girl with, I mean, my god, her skin is flawless pretty much, and she's got the Amelia Fart eyes and like giant neon hoops. So one way to style neon is to literally just style it through accessories, and to wear accessories that are neon and pair that with your regular everyday clothing. I wanted to show you as well this picture here where she wears her neon as her makeup, and then she keeps everything else very neutral on her face. So I think that's also a great way to do it if you're gonna do neon makeup. As the girls in both of the pictures show you, best way to do it is to make the neon thing the centerpiece and then have everything else be very neutral, be very plain, and not take away from the neon moment, okay? So there you go. Let's move on to fishnets. So fishnets are super fun. I feel like we've had this trend for a minute now. It's usually for stockings. We've been doing fishnet stockings, but now we've kind of decided to like F the stockings and go straight into like putting it on our body. And so this first model, she is actually naked. You can see her little itty bitties. So I had to like marker them out because, and we don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. So I had to mark those out. But she's like, you know, you can see her. Let's just say it was cold on the runway. Okay, it was pretty cold. So that's why she's got the jacket on. So this is one way that you can style fishnets. You can wear it as a whole dress. I mean, if you are that girl, more power to you. I am not. But if you want to just wear a fishnet dress, fishnet cover up with nothing on underneath, like that is your business. So the outfit that I have to show you is this green tankini. I'm wearing this fishnetty type of cover up over it. Now if you see my previous video, I wore something very similar into it. Actually, I'll put that as a clip here as well so that you can see how I styled that outfit as well. The best way to wear this, I think, is as a cover up over your bikini. This is more beachwear-y type of stuff, but it can be translated into like everyday wear. You can do this in the form of bags, which is the next picture. I think this is such a fun way to like do the fishnet number, is by getting a bag and using it. Is that deodorant in there? Is that deodorant? Is that deodorant? Why? Why is the only thing in that bag deodorant? That's very strange. I don't whatever, that's their business. The point is, you can style this fishnets in a bag as well. I think that's probably the easiest way to get it into your like everyday fashion routine look for 2019 spring, is to just get a small cute little fishnet purse that you carry around with you. The other trend that I wanted to like talk about, though this is not the trend that I'm including in this video, but it is a trend of 2019. I thought I'd let you know. This model is very much one color. This very like neutral, natural, beigey type of color. And that is a major trend of 2019 spring, which is just neutrals in general, wearing a lot of really neutral shades, neutral colors, and things that are matchy-matchy. Look at me, giving you bonus trends. I wore something very similar to this picture right here in my James Charles video, which I will link above so that you can go watch it too. If you don't know, I have a series on my channel. It's called the YouTuber Inspired Lookbook series, and basically all I do is try on outfits that are inspired by YouTubers. So if you're interested in watching those, I have it above. I've done James Charles and Sophia Nygaard so far, so if you want to go check them out, they are above. But yeah, I have an outfit that's similar to this, so this is also another way that you can kind of style fishnets slash mesh type of a look. And then the other way that you can style fishnets is pretty obvious, is through your stockings or through your shoes if you want to be extravagant and like, you know, put your shoes in actual fishnets. That's, again, theme of this video is, girl, that's your business. Alright, so let's go to the next trend. The next trend is polka dots. Now this one, I love polka dots so much, so I'm really excited about this trend. So this very first outfit, by the way, is like, this is, if I could dress like that every day, I would dress like this every day, okay? Everything about it, like just head to toe, like she just looks gorgeous. Everything, just so good, but that's not why we're here. We're not here to critique. And I wanted to bring this up because obviously one of the greatest ways that you can wear polka dots is through your shirts. It's just buying a simple shirt that's polka dots and pairing it with something else. As I do in my like example, I have this polka dot button down that I kind of style in the very like typical Instagram way, V-cut opened, and a pair of black jeans and a belt. Very simple, very cute, very chic. Walk out the door with a clutch, you're good to go. And she does the exact same thing, albeit not with as much cleavage as me, but still in the same way. If you're gonna wear polka dots, the easiest way to do it is to wear polka dots, wear something that's polka dot, and then style it with something that is a very solid color. Any like neutral color, or just any solid color, anything that's like neutral, black, beige, white, it's gonna look excellent. Keep your accessories to a minimum. Now, if you're not that girl, you're like, listen, I want head to toe polka dots. If you're that girl, then this is the outfit for you. This is the way to do it. This next person, she styles it like 10 out of 10, just 10 out of 10. Shirt polka dots, and she's got her skirt polka dots. And the reason why this doesn't drive everyone insane by looking at it is because it's balanced. So the top is based in white and the bottom is based in black, and the polka dots are the opposite of the base color. And the reason why this works, in my opinion, is because one, it's light and dark, and light and dark always look good. That's why you can wear a white button down with black pants and look excellent. What makes this look so elegant and beautiful and effortless is because it matches, it balances. If she had worn a skirt with like teeny tiny little polka dots, we wouldn't be thinking it's this cute. But because she chose to keep the polka dots the exact same size, she kept the outfit very balanced and very easy to digest. And then she ties it all together with this black belt, which separates the pieces. And then her accessories, she styles this with a black purse and a black little bow. exactly how you should do it. If you are gonna go crazy with the prints, definitely keep your accessories solid colored and not the main event. The only thing I think she could have done better was do a red lip. On her top, there's actually red detailing. There's red stitches that go up and down, and on her purse, the handle is actually red. So I feel like she could have tied this entire, she tied the red in the top with the red in the handle of her bag, but she could have gone a step further and she could have worn a red lip, and I feel like she would have looked so, but I still think she looks gorgeous, so it doesn't matter. I wanted to show you this picture because this is also a great way for you to style polka dots. It's not just like dots, it's just like polka shape is the best way I can say it. And also a great way to style polka dots is through coordinates. And then of course you can get shoes that have polka dots, and then your problems are solved. Alright, let's go on to the next trend. And this is the last trend, and this is the the animal print trend. It's back, I know guys, welcome back. So this is the trend that, I'm not saying I don't like it. I love cheetah print. I have a soft spot for cheetah print because my mother loved cheetah print. And look, all I will say is that this, if you are not careful, this can get very tacky very quickly. If you're gonna style animal prints, just, you know, be mindful. So this model right here, I don't necessarily think this is something that you should ever like do. It looks good on her because she's gorgeous, and the person who styled this is a genius. It works really well because of the brown bag that separates the two pieces, and because they're two different animal prints, they're similar enough to where it doesn't drive you crazy, but they're different enough to where it's like, whoa, this is cool. But I would not suggest doing this. I would not suggest mixing your zebra print with your cheetah print, with your alligator print, you know, like just keep it mono print, okay? Keep it to one print if you're gonna layer your prints on each other. This cheetah print skirt I think is absolutely gorgeous. Like if you could pair this with a black crop top or just like a black sweater, I think would look absolutely gorgeous. I think the easiest way to style this is through your accessories and not your actual clothing items. So one way to do that is through your shoes. Like here I have a snakeskin shoe. Go get yourself a cheetah print shoe. Go get yourself a leopard, I don't know, a heel. Something that's like animal print but it's on your shoe. Or go get a scarf. Go get a purse. But in terms of clothing, I think that cheetah print clothing can go wrong very quickly if you're not careful. So with everything when it comes to fashion, I think the most important thing is to wear the clothes that are you, and wear the things that feel and look and represent you, and have fun. And with that being said, that's pretty much the end of the video. Let me put this back. Alright, so the video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave me a comment down below and tell me if you found any of what I just said like semi-helpful, please, so that I know that I should keep on making these videos. And if you didn't, then also write that down so that I like know to not do this again. Okay, that's pretty much it. Give me a like if you liked the video. Please share this video on your social media platforms so that other people can see the video as well. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please. It would mean the world to me if you would join the lovely Pam Fam. There's 29 of us so far, and we would love another one of you. So please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join the family. And I will see you in my next video. Okay guys, it's been solid. Bye.